Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in Yahoo Mail in your desktop. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to open Yahoo Mail on your desktop by yourself. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Tap on the search bar and type www.yahoomail.com. And you'll see this page. Right hand side on the top you can see sign in. Click on sign in. You'll enter to the login page. Now enter your username, email or your mobile number related to your account. Then click on next. To make sure you are the account holder, Yahoo will send a mail to your related phone number or email. To send verification code, click on Yes, send me a code. Now you'll get a verification code. It may take a little time. Then copy the verification code from your email or your phone number, then paste in the blank space. Then click on verify. Now you can see your account right there. Click on your account. And now you are logged in to your Yahoo Mail. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.